Hello.
Hello there.
It's been a while. We just want to apologise for that.
We are sorry.
It's been a couple of weeks, isn't it? Yeah, no, just a lot of various things, but you know what, we'll just apologise to you guys. We're very humbly sorry. Anyway,
We are sorry about that.
In the meantime,
We have good news. We have a new member. We have a new member of the crew. We have a new nerd. It's my friend Sophie, who will be... What are you doing? Sorry.
Sophie Short.
Yes, we have a new nerd. We have a female nerd. It's my friend Sophie. I describe her as being a bit of a pin-up Harley Quinn. That's her style. Yeah. This is who we got working for us. We've got pin-up Harley working for us. Coming soon from Sophie will be a list of what she refers to as badass female characters in the very near future. Possibly next week, we don't know, but that will be coming soon. So we apologise for our absence, but we bring you a new member. So look for Sophie's video and look for more videos from us as well. Thanks very much.
Cool.